This video is about the overlooked security side of video doorbells. A Consumer Reports investigation in 2024 found serious flaws in some doorbells sold on big-name sites like Amazon, Walmart, and Temu. Weak protections meant hackers, and even company employees, could access customer videos. In fact, Amazon agreed to a $5.6 million settlement after the Federal Trade Commission alleged Ring failed to protect user data. That money was refunded to more than 117,000 customers. So how can you protect yourself? Choose a trusted brand with strong security updates. Use unique, complex passwords for your doorbell account. Enable two-factor authentication. Regularly check app settings for privacy and sharing options. Remember, a video doorbell should keep strangers out, not let them in through the internet. Smart doorbells offer peace of mind, but only if you understand the hidden costs, networks, and security risks.